And I'd like to thank God for us, because we have been praying to see this year, and now that we are here, we'll thank God for everybody. And my prayer again is that those of us that saw the beginning of this year, we are going to see the end, and then proceed to a new year of 2020. Abby, that one is great. I'm sure you don't want to miss 2020. Okay, welcome, Ndiana. My name is Ijoma Uche, and Dave is still here with me.
Yes, David Okwasile. Welcome.
David. I like the way you call your name. Okay, in this segment, somebody has joined us. She is Chika Oyekwe. Chika Oyekwe is an old girl of Girls Secondary School in Ugupu, the great city. Chika, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You look good, I must tell you.
Thank you so much.
Hi.
You look
Is
good
it like
too.
this? All the old girls in Ugupu are looking.
Exactly. Hopefully, everybody's going to look dashing that day. We are really in a very high spirits,
very high
morale, so we can't just really wait.
Oh yeah, and very soon you will know that Enugu, Girls Secondary School Enugu produces great people.
Great
because
girls.
Yours sincerely is an old girl of Girls Secondary School Enugu. And it may interest you to know that Nonye Wokoye, also a presenter in Good Morning Ambra, is an old girl of Girls Secondary School Enugu. You see,
we are great girls.
Great people.
Let me keep quiet so that we don't enter. You're beginning to make me feel uncomfortable.
You're not a girl. You want to attend girls' school.
But the advert you guys are doing for Girls Secondary School here. All right, let me permit you. It's your day.
It's just not the advert. You look at that, you see.
Hallelujah.
Chika, you're welcome.
Thank you.
It's good to have you here. Now that you're here, I heard that Girls Secondary School is preparing a reunion.
Yes.
So would you just bring us into the picture of what's going on?
Okay, over the years,
yeah,
my school, we don't have anything like alumni association. So with time, an ex-teacher, Saloje, started discussing with some girls, as in, suggesting something like, why don't you girls come together, form an alumni and all that, So with time, it took off. With the help of social media. Initially, we were actually contacting each other on phone, telephone. We were like, can we just do this? But it wasn't that really easy until the emergence of social media. So we picked it up, we used the opportunity, we started talking to each other, we started coming up, and the next thing, we formed a group on WhatsApp, and before you know it, boom, our numbers kept increasing by the day.
Yeah.
As I speak with you, we have up to 100 and something already on the platform. So, and we decided to have a reunion. Since it's Christmas, we decided to do something like a homecoming. Okay, since Christmas is here, as we gather much, as we grow in number, and it's Christmas, we decided to do something. Why don't we do something like a homecoming, a reunion, since all of us are coming, we're going to come for Christmas holiday. So it's an opportunity for us to do a reunion, meet with each other. At least we have to start from somewhere.
We have to start somewhere, and we've already started.
Yes.
Well, it may interest you to know that this group just started the other day, and just like Chika said, it's growing in strength. And then if you are an old girl of Girls Secondary School in Ugupu and you are not here, I bet you are missing.
You're missing something.
You are not in the group.
Yes.
Because very soon, Chika is going to tell us what they are planning for the reunion. David, you wanted to say something?
Yes, it's particularly interesting.
As if you are out of your jealous cocoon.
It's interesting where you see ladies, old girls. It's not usual for girls to come and form alumni association.
Yes.
It's more predominant in an all-boys school. But when you see it happening in girls' school like this, it's interesting. So how have you been able to manage those that are married to far places to become part of this reunion?
It's just a matter of telephone calls, text messages, matter of who do you know? We connect from who do you know. You know someone that knows someone and all that. And before you know it, we actually connected with people in London, America, all over Nigeria.
All over the world.
We are all over the world. We are on the platform as I speak with you.
And most
It's
of them are
quite amazing.
even back for this Christmas celebration.
And most of them are around as I speak with you. It's quite amazing,
so
honestly.
it's going to be a big day. So when is it happening? When is the reunion coming up?
3rd January, Thursday. 3rd January.
Okay, this week. That's next tomorrow.
Next tomorrow.
It's
So-
going to be great. So where is it happening?
At Enugu Civic Center.
So if you don't know Enugu Civic Center, ask me. Okay, but I wonder why you know, because Enugu is one of the biggest cities in Anambra.
Yes.
If not the biggest, when I say one of the biggest cities. Sorry, but somebody was just saying that it's likely that most of the old girls are from Enugu. Is it true?
Not really. We have not Enugu alone.
Okay.
Anambra State and environs. We have from Imo, from all over, not
All
just
over. I know during
Enugu.
our own time, we'll have this this brigade from Enugu Agede, and then another brigade from Oka, and Abagana. So many of them.
Yes,
Nimo. Okay,
yes.
so many of them.
So
Sometimes
many
they
from-
form this alliance that
Yes.
they want to even pull those of you that are from.
They won.
So this is why we want to gather now. The school has already come of age, having produced people like us.
Yes.
I think this is quite timely.
Yes.
People like me, somebody like me, have been saying, what is stopping us from coming together? So when I saw this, I grabbed it with two hands.
Yes.
Okay, because I've been with my friends to their own reunion, and it was quite great.
Okay, yes.
Thank God for this.
Yes.
So what time is it coming up on Thursday?
12 p.m.
So what is expected? Who
Okay.
are coming?
For now, we didn't really open it up for the for visitors, for much guests. You know, we decided to just do it. Okay, it's been a very long time. Let us just know each other. Let us just see ourselves.
again.
Let us just connect. Then from there, we take it up. So during the meeting, kind of, okay, we call it a reunion party anyway, but we're going to have a meeting in between. So from there, we'll chart a course to move forward. So that's it.
So during the reunion, would people come with their spouses? to
People
the
are
event?
allowed to come with their spouses.
Okay.
You want
Yes.
to marry from Enugu?
No, I'm asking now.
We still have young ones that are not yet married. So if you're interested, we
Maybe
can connect you.
we'll just
We
come.
can connect you with one.
We come in like
And she will bring greatness in your family.
hallelujah.
Yes, during the program review. So what and what? There's going to be reunion party, like you said.
Yes.
There is going to be cake. There's
Yes.
going to be what, and the activities that is going to go on
We
that
are
day.
starting up with a cocktail, and it's a meet and greet session. So, you know, while you wait, you meet your ex-friend, ex-classmate and all that. You do that with a glass of a cocktail. We, network, you exchange cards, exchange numbers, you chat. At least that one is going to take us for 1 hour. Then after that, we all get seated in the venue. Then we'll have brief speeches from the coordinator, and we involved our ex-teachers. So they are going to be the speakers of the day, and we involved the current principal. She's going to speak as well. So then in between we'll have our meeting. Then after that, we're going to have a kind of games, as in we'll do
Those
a
funny
kind of,
games.
mimics, all those our famous songs, welcomes,
School anthem and all that.
not really school anthem. We have famous hymn songs
Okay.
that we normally
Okay,
sing
those
during
popular ones.
the popular ones, like All Things Bright and Beautiful, all those. Then we have
nobody that went
matching
to Enugu gets to
songs.
forget that
Then
one.
we have dances, and we will mimic some of our teachers
Yes.
because we were good
Even our
in
late
naming
principal
our
was
teachers.
Zumba. We're going to be
In
mimicking
giving
that.
names to our teachers. We were very, very good at that. So that day, we're going to.
Okay, Chika, send a message to your old guests, wherever they are, as we are leaving now.
Sure. All old girls of Girls Secondary School in Enugu, and presently Ideg Secondary School. I'm using this medium to call on you to come on 3rd January 2019 at Civic Center Enugu. It's going to be great. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be fun. You're going to reconnect, reunite with your old classmates, your old friends, your old dormitory mates,
You wouldn't want to miss this for anything.
It's going to be fun,
Yes,
honestly.
IJ will be there live.
Please, I would like you to be there wherever you are. Yes.
Old girls, we're going to be
We are
there
going to
live.
be there
Thank you
live,
very much
please.
for coming. Thank you very much for
Thank
coming.
you so
Chika
much.
Oyekwe,
Thank
you.
you.
An old girl of Girls Secondary School in Enugu. You see how good we are? Thank you. Dave, we must go.
It's been an exciting one having you guys here, trying to intimidate us, but. Thank
you very much. We have to go because the news is coming at 9 o'clock and the sports will follow thereafter. Thank you for joining us. My name is C. Joma Uche and I've been around with Dave Opokwas. Dalono. Happy New Year in the Anambra, and 2019 is going to be greater than 2018. Bless you all.